Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium. Well, I have not posted in probably 3 weeks for a great reason. I have been extremely sick. In this Florida weather, it gets really hot sometimes, and I got up on top of the roof trimming my palm tree. And I, in turn, got really dehydrated. I think almost had a heat stroke, and I started seeing like white blotches in my vision. Skin got really cold. I was up on top of the roof, and the next day I was running a fever and lungs filled full of fluid. In fact, I'm still hacking up crap now, and ended up turning into pneumonia and bronchitis. So I am slowly getting over it. I'm still somewhat coughing and hacking up crap, but anyhow, I need to get back into doing my videos. I kind of miss doing these, showing y'all how to do stuff. So I'm going to ease back into doing these videos. I'm just going to do a simple it's going to be a Caribbean jerk season pork spare ribs, and I'm going to do it on the Camp Chef PRO LUX pellet smoker today. I'm going to be running about 275, and hopefully I'll get these done in probably 5 to 6 hours. I'll have these completely done. Anyhow, let's get started. Alright, so this is a full rack of pork ribs. This is about 10 pounds. Huge. So when it comes, I'm going to be leaving the membrane on today. I'm going to leave the membrane on, and then before I wrap, I'm going to take that membrane off. But I'm just going to go ahead and trim up some of this crap right here. It's nothing but just fat right there. You don't need that. Get rid of a lot of this stuff right here. Makes it kind of undelectable. Cut this piece of flap meat off right here. Here we go. But I'll go ahead and I'll cook this anyhow. It's not very delectable, but I'll still do that anyhow. And just come here and just cut the fat off. That's all you gotta do. There we go. Cut some of this fat off right here. Now there's already water on here from where actually I'm gonna cut this off too. They kind of square these things up. All right, the bone comes right here. You see that? Bones right here. Kind of square these up. All right, there we go. The first layer is gonna be right here. My favorite. It's Incredible. It's gonna do a very, very light layer of this Incredible on here, just to kind of kiss it. Just kiss that meat with the It's Incredible. There we go. Flip it over. Let's get this right here. I'm not going to worry about this right here because that's going to be coming off, so I'm not going to season that. There we go. Just a little kiss. And then McCormick has this Caribbean jerk seasoning that's really good. We've used it before, and I kind of haven't done any ribs with it, so I'm gonna see how it's gonna be with some ribs. What I like about it, it's got a bunch of big chunks of pepper, some of the good stuff that you need for ribs, for seasoning, to give that nice Caribbean taste to it. All right, put this over. All right, there we go. Let's wait for the grill to come up to temperature. All right, and down we put these ribs on. All right, so it is up to temp. Let me get this thing on. Gonna go bone side down. Get those on. Then here's some of the pieces right here. All right, I'm not gonna touch these for probably 2.5 hours, and I'll come back because I'm cooking these at 275. All right, so I'll be back. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and I'll see y'all in about 2.5 hours. All right, so for those of y'all that said, well, you were sick because of CV19. CV19, I went ahead, I got tested. My first test came up positive. However, it was administered the wrong way. So I got 2 more tests after that, because I realized that the first one was administered the wrong way. So the same day I got 2 more tests. Both of those tests came up negative, and my wife came up negative as well. Anyhow, it kicked my butt for like 2, almost 3 weeks. I don't want that ever again, but I'm back. All right, so it's been 1.5 hours. I'm sorry, 2.5 hours. So it's looking like so far. Look at that that Caribbean rub on there. That looks freaking great. All right, let's get these off in some foil. All right, now it's time to pull the membrane off. All right, let's hit this up with some Caribbean rub right here. There we go. Gonna go meat side down. I got some pineapple juice right here. I'm gonna triple wrap this right here. Triple wrap it just in case the spring's a leak. Gets ripped or something. All right, y'all, so it's been almost 2 hours that they've been wrapped. Let's get these things sauced. All right, you can see how these things look. So total cook time right now is 5.5 hours right now. It's total cook time. Oh boy, look at that, falling apart. I think these things are done now. I'm gonna try to flip these over and get the other side sauced. That's if they don't fall apart on me, which I think they just might fall apart. There we go. These things are pretty much done now, so it's been about 5.5 hours. No, I'm sorry, 5 hours. So these are pretty much done. Just gonna let these get some sugar-free. G Hughes. This is some pretty good stuff we like. It's no sugar, which we also like. Sauce these up, put them back on there for maybe about a half hour. Let the sauce get set on these. There we go. And believe it or not, the sauce with that Jamaican Jerk rub, it's a wonderful combination. So go ahead and pat that on there. The two of barbecue sauce and Jamaican Jerk seasoning, it's very good. You should try it. You'll like it. I'm gonna get these back on there. Gonna put on there long enough for this barbecue sauce to set on here. There we go. I'll be back in about 30-45 minutes. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. Looks like the barbecue sauce is set up. It's kind of dry on there. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these. There you go. Those look beautiful. All right, y'all, so that's it. I'm not gonna cut into the ribs or do a taste test. I already know that they're kind of overcooked, but anyhow, that's the way my wife likes them. My wife likes them, you know, fall off the bone, really tender, kind of melt in the mouth. That's how she likes it. But anyhow, I need to get this cook under my belt to kind of get those juices going again, because I have been out of the mix so long because I've been sick. Anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.